My name is Tyler Gray. I'm from Cabot, Arkansas. I've worked in the automotive field before, and I just want to do the performance aspect. And funny thing is, me and my dad were taking a road trip, and we drove by here, and I was like, oh man, it's Hennessey, man. I've always wanted to go there. It's on the bucket list. So when we came in, they talked about the tuner school, and then 2 seconds later, I'm like, I want to go, and that's what happened. I'm here. They go step by step as far as engine suspension. They teach you how to supercharge, and they teach you turbos and all that. And then you actually take steps on putting them on the car, and then you get to go test them and see what differences it makes, and it's pretty awesome. The instructors were amazing, and then just being around the shop as well, just learning stuff from mechanics here and just small tricks, and they go a long way for sure. If you're debating on it, at least try to come here, and you'll be hooked just for them telling you about it. And I would say just do it. It's definitely worth it, 100%.